Bangkal, Cassia, Dikiri, Imaro, we have Ecleo, Gonzalez, Lucuban, Modronero, Orlande, Rabe, Reyes, Soria, Suarez, and the public, John Mark
Tagados, and of course our head coach is Popoy Flores. And our RS61 Tech,
we have Aman, Alcantara, Arnolfo, Placida, Asbulawa, Bola, Astur, we have Castro, Bikini, Pirames, Libag, Nies, Ubeles, Sabo, Sadoy, Gilliver, and with the head coach, Nene Nabo.
Okay, kadreo parehas. Pero mo ta plus ka dito na lang. Lagi. Kita ba og tunon og parehas lang dili kita. Pero ata mag plus din lang. Ata na plus din. Pero plus din, tabi hanga kay plus din. Suan. Suan. May plus ito ang baton. Dito.
Dawat ka kanin, dawat ka kanin, dawat. Abay, nakakita na lang doon, dito.
Ah, wala. Dito plus. Ata na plus kayo. Isa na limang.
Piyat-piyat na lang natin. Ay, palagi.
Plus na lang sila. Plus pa daw na. Ano sa korpo mo magana? Matar ko bukas ko. Buga meeting ko mata may plasibin. Ilang mata na ba? Atag na plasibin. Dito ka. Kali yung kita mo atag. Kita na lang magawa kung may plasibin. Dito lagi sila. Sila yung mata ko plus. Ilan na yung kwarta niya, boss?
Nice, Casio!
last 20 seconds, and we'll start the ball game. Okay.
And now let us now call in our first five of our King Belmonte starting lineup. And now for our King Belmonte starting lineup for our team at Trabuco, we have playing guard Reyes. Another guard, we have Suarez. We have Gonzalez, and another forward from the bench against injuries, you have it. And playing center, we have Armenta.
Next.
And our King Belmonte starting lineup for our team, our board will be open for this month because our playing coach will be Perez will be on the bench. Our guard position, our local Valsita forward. After forward, we have Aman and our center, Vilniavel. So we'd like to request our first five both teams to please proceed to the center line.
Okay na? Grabe.
Eto na guys, so eto na Kuya John. One thing that I really, eto na Kuya John, as I'm so much excited talagang comeback is real for John Mark Taganos, and I'm still really looking forward sa kanyang play from out of the injury, Kuya John. So that's why home court advantage, so talagang hindi makakapag bigyan ng chance si Taganos to not play this game talagang kahit under injury talagang lalaroin ito. So this will be a good way for Team Rael. So Rabe will not be playing and playing a assistant coach role sa kanyang team, and also from our team Ares will be short-handed sa kanilang ball rotation.
Okay.
So may request, non-players, makilabas po sa ating korte. May request.
Masyado ba?
Masyador, paliugo. Paliugo, masyador, paliugo. May request, paliugo po. All be seated, maupo na po tayo.
Ay!
So we are going to use our official scoreboard of our SBP. So we would like to request our audience, live audience dito sa ating gymnasium to follow your score. Tingnan natin yung scoreboard ng ating SBP, and online, updated po yan tayo sa online. Sa oras, every quarter, 10 minutes po tayo. So we will not use our official scoreboard for some technicalities. No?
And also kuya, para sa ma-aware sila, amo lang istorya lang namo from time to time ang score. Okay? Grabe, pati sa atong headset no, pick up na to ang mga audience no. Grabe na sila kasama. Kuya.
Okay, paliwag ko sa mga audience na guidance. Hindi ka magsugod sa mga hindi mo nakatingin area. We would like to request to obey our exit and only entrance for our senior and all, just in case of emergency, makasunod sila immediately. So our team impact, maraming sinanap kasi sa mga passes natin team impact natin sa Tiwas Kabili. Okay? And that will be for the safety of our players. Kaya ulit, nagagalan mo niya during the youth ball. Patuloy niya sa inyo mga pagkakamor na during the peace.
Cheryl.
Sa area, o dito na nga sa bench, o dito na mo sa stage, and use our pictures para mukha-kita. Thank you.
Next time daw kuya, brihan na sa ibabaw ni Kapitan para makita agad sa kadaghanan, no? So, thank you so much our barangay captain, si Sharmi Shakur, sa pag-open next time around, no? It's game time, indeed, Kuya Germs.
Ito na, nagbabalik na si John Mark Taganos.
Grabe the
playing
maskman.
Point guard for the team.
Dikere.
Kiri, no good.
Yeah, grabe ni nga matchup kinay mga high flyers nato dali Kerry
Yes.
Brothers, Alcantara, and also nasa ta si Balua nga
Yes.
mga dunker ni
Yes, oo.
Dimaro. Pass to the grabe no. Tula gihapon.
Kiri. Oh, that would
Uy,
be a
foul
first
sa yung
foul.
magulang.
Grabe ang kuya, may patawan.
Gibigyan.
Sugod magaling. Pakitaan na dahil ba?
Gibigyan ay.
First row, no good.
second throw. Wala pa rin. So that will be no score for both teams muna tayo. Luca Baloa looking for an open man, making a play for his teammates. Villaver attacking the basket. Jumper for two. Bounce out. No good. Rebound by Raila Tabuco.
P-Boy. Uy.
Reyes.
Ito na. P-Boy.
Gonzalez. Taganos for jumper two. No good. He's strong.
Grabe.
Balsita. One of the legends of our team Ares. Balsita ulit. Balsita.
What a nice
pass to,
pass. Ay, sayang.
Hindi, no
Hindi
good.
na shoot, kuya.
Taganos, and that would be an easy deuce, and 2 points for Taganos. So score on the board na po ang ating Raela Trabunco for the first point of John Mark Taganos. Luca Baloa looking for an open man. Pass to Balsita. Balsita. Ooh, that's a good pass. Jumper. Two, no good. Rebound by Dikiri. Dikiri. Two, no good again. Labanan ng rebound ng Dikiri.
Traveling tayo, kuya.
Violation. So that would be turnover by Gonzalez. So moving on naman tayo for our next play for Team Ares.
Score natin, kuya, is 2-0 in favor of Rayela. 8 minutes and 15 seconds. Medyo layo pa ta.
Kakasimula pa lang.
Mabtam siya tagalas 12 yan eh.
Okay na, basta nalang kayo hapon.
Grabe. Itong panihapon na.
Gonzalez sizing up the defense of Villaver. Dikiri, one hand parang, uy, ganda ng tira na yun ni Dikiri, parang pang Dirk Nowitzki. One leg shoot. Okay, 4 points na po tayo. 4-0 in favor of Team Raela Trabunco, taking the advantage of home court advantage. Okay, there will be a whistle and a little bit of foul. Oh, Reyes got his first personal foul. That would be definitely a first personal. 14 to shoot. Luca Baloa. Bikiri looking for open man. Luca Baloa. Got the screen from Villaver. Oh, that would be a turnover. And that nakuha ni Gonzalez. Gonzalez to Taganos. Oh, another points for Taganos. Taking the advantage of 6-0 run. 6-0 run for our team Raela Trabunco. Luca Baloa driving the basket. Ako na lang. Uy, wala pa rin. Mintes. No score pa rin tayo for Aris Reyes to Gonzalez. Short. Rebound naman pang Dikiri. Dikiri got another points. 8-0 run pa rin. So there would be adjustment na gagawin yung ating Aris para makapukol ng puntos. Luca Baloa, another defense for screen from Villaver. Pass to Dikiri. Jumper. Okay, finally, and down, Team Aris is on the board. So, 2-8 ang score natin. Under 6 minutes and 41. Reyes, step back. Pass to Gonzalez. Back to Reyes. Reyes, long bomb for 3. Short. Oh, and that will be... Okay, that will be a violation.
Dikiri? Yes.
Timeout. Team Ares. And that Brian Mott is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wickwickway Iligan. We can do it. And maraming salamat sa ating 361,000 viewers na nanonood. Talagang the Team Ares should call a timeout for some adjustment kasi from the very beginning, kakasimula pa lang, they gave up for a 8-0 nothing run between the both the team Ares are really struggling for that first play. But anyway, tignan natin kung makabounce back sila from this time out. So ayan, maraming salamat sa ating live viewers and sa ating audience live sa YouTube na nanonood sa ating mga panimalay. Ayan, shout out tayo sa ating mga viewers watching sa ating YouTube and sa ating Facebook page. Maraming salamat po. Ayan, Luca Baloa. Screen from Villaver. Step back 3, short. Offensive rebound. And that would be an out of bounds. Substitution. Ayan, kinuha si Villaver. Arnoco will be in. So there will be adjustments in the center play ng ating Team Ares. Taganos. To Gonzalez. Back to Taganos. Reyes. Trying to shoot. Gonzalez, iwanan. Okay, basket counted. 2 points for Gonzalez. So we have 10-2 score lamang ang Team Rayla Trabuco under 5 minutes and 47 in the first quarter. Luka Balowang. Nakuha. That will be steal. Reyes attacking the basket. No good. And that will be a rebound for Ares. Balsita. Wow! 2 points for Balsita. Grabe.
Grabe,
Behind the back shot.
signature move to niya, kuya. Pero,
Behind the back jump shot.
grabe, Balsita, walang
napakaganda.
kupas, kuya.
Talagang legendary yan. Dikiri, a jumper in the line. Bumawi. 2 points for Dikiri.
Ang win bang yaman ng Iligan City. Grabe.
Score 10-4 in favor of our Team Rayla Trabuco. Under 4 minutes and 59. Gonzalez forcing the shot, no good. Substitution, Araneta will now playing dalawang nakamaskara ngayon for Rayla Trabuco. We have Taganos and Balsita.
Grabe na. Mga maskman ng mga Rahila, kuya. No? Si Araneta, naka-mask din.
Yes, oh.
The Mask of Zorro. And for the first time na nag-tune in nato diri karon, we are on the GBL Season 1
3 points,
semifinals.
Balsita.
So kanina ko yan, nanalo ang Sultan's Cafe RX over Bajams Basketball. But don't worry mga
During
Bajams
overtime.
fans. Naapatay, this is a best of 3 series by the way.
Kung madaog sila next time, there will be do or die na dayon for the third game. Inbound, Reyes. Taganos. Pass to Dikiri jumper.
Uy, nawala ang imammer.
In and out, no good. Rebound by Ares. Arnoco. Arnoco will make a play. Luka Balongo looking for open man. Balik kay Arnoco. Arnoco. Get the screen from Alcantara. Jumper for 2. 2 points for Arnoco. Ayan, umabante na nga yung ating Team Ares. For the bitawan! Oh no! It's a bad play for Arnoco. And again, got his own rebound in Dikiri. Another 2 points for Dikiri. Arnoco, defended by Reyes. Driving the basket, the steal. Reyes, 3-1. Oh, and that would be traveling. Nabitawan. Hindi na na-control ni Reyes.
And for those who are asking, this is GBL Season 1, Mayor's Ready Shout Cup. Of course, with our shareholders.
Let's go, G. Let's go.
Rebound by Dikiri. No good. Battling for that rebound. Out of bounds. Timeout. Team Rayla Trabuco. And that timeout once again to our, that is brought to us by Honorable Vice Mayor Wilbert Uy, Ligan Weekend Donate. Ayan. Naubos na lang yung boses ko. Okay. And as this second game, ball game mga kaibigan, mga ka-GBL, we are much more excited to witness because again, the comeback of John Mark Taganos are really creating an impact sa nilang laro for this first series of best of 3 ng kanilang semi-final round for this game between Real Trabuco against Team Aris. And Team Aris are doing their best kasi talagang sila yung inaabangan natin na Cinderella
Lakay,
story.
Kwan.
So back to the ball game po tayo.
Ha? Wala iglo.
Okay rin.
Wala iglo.
Kita. All right, slide corner. Bang! Reyes for 3 points. 16-8 ang tala ng score. There are 2 minutes and 50 seconds remaining for the first quarter. Balsita. Okay, balik din. 3 points. Basket counted. Gonzalez defended by Arloco. Screened by Araneta. Tinanggal yung maskara ni Araneta. Reyes is reduced for 2 points. Tinanggal ni Araneta kanyang mas. Okay. Thank you. Shout out Kuya Jan for the Somay rice. Oh, and that would be an offensive foul, and that would be a turnover. 2 minutes and 12 remaining. 19-11 at the score. Lamang ang ating Real Trabuco. 8 points po yung lamang. Gonzalez.
And while watching kuya, let's have our dinner no. Kaya di na makayang alas 12 kuya.
Reyes. Bang! Back-to-back 3 points. Reyes for 3 points.
Grabe. GBL semifinals kuya and it's best.
Arloco, sizing up, posting up. Looking for an open man, making a play. And uy, ganda, naiwanan ni si Reyes. But no way of block. And that would be a 2 points. Basket counted for number 3. Gonzalez, pass to Reyes. Araneta, spin move, but that will be a foul. So Araneta will go to the line. May substitution na. First throw, no good. Uy, nag-airball na si Araneta. Talagang nag-a-adjust pa sa kanyang vision. Kasi natagal yung mas.
Yes, kuya. We'd like to take this opportunity to present to you GBL. This is the first ever open commercial, kuya, with integrations with Barangay Partnership. But by the way, kuya, one of our advocacies is really to promote ang atuang mga hometown, mga homegrown, mga talents sa Iligan City and also the neighboring towns na to.
Yes.
So this is the very first time nga atong tan-awon sa atong mga panimalay, atong mga kaugalingong players, no? Sige na tagtanaw nilang Bragais, nilang Kaalog, nilang unsa pa ng taga-alayng lugar kuya, pero
Yes.
naay taga-Iligan nga naapoy mga talento sa basketball.
Yes.
This is why
And this will be the best platform kasi international napapanood tayo and national, international napapanood mo yung ating mga players from Iligan. Looking
kuya.
forward to rooting na talagang ma-discover yung mga talents natin.
Yeah, and also many people would ask us nga anong inaani ang production because this is GBL, no? This is powered by SciTech Live Prod.
Grabe talaga.
Yeah, the
Side
only
tech front.
sportscasting live production here sa Tuwa sa Northern Mindanao. Hopefully,
Yes.
ako ang makover together with Kuya Jerv as our Mike Master G.
Yes, kita-kita lang naman natin kanina sa ating aerial shot natin na talagang pag NBA ang level ng ating quality
Yes.
of our drone shots natin. So, isang lang yan guys. So anyway, what are you waiting for? Visit and inquire na sa ating SciTech BMS Pro. And
Yes, Kuya, and also,
look for Kuya John.
Kuya, this is the very first league na meron tayong full media production.
Yes.
And at the same time, game statistics and analytics. So kung
kompleto.
gusto niyo i-check, kung gusto na to i-check no, ang ato ang mga game stats, you can visit gametime.net.
Yes.
So itong mga official stats and analytics.
Uy, nandikuha ni Baloa. Luca Baloa to Nias. Nias driving the basket, forcing the shot. No good, but it's open for the rebound. Fighting for that battle rebound. And that will be a turnover.
Duwa ta kuya.
Ako, sige.
Maghinay-hinay na tagkaon.
Kasi mag-overtime ni, tama na yung alas 12 din eh.
Nakakaunam gud ni ato ubang itong mga kauban. Manang kita rin do kakaon oy.
Okay. Arnoo driving the basket. Ooh, nice pass. Nakita sa ilalim. Si Dikiri, 2 points for Dikiri. Now, mabante yung ating score, 25-15. 10 points na lang. Second shot clock. Reyes to Olarte. 2 points for Olarte. Arnoco, 3 points. Good. Rebound by Araneta. Cleo, but there's no time now left, so that will be the end of our first quarter. Rayo Trabuco 27, Aris 15. That ends our first quarter. That first quarter is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Robert McQueen. Iligan, we can do it.
We can do it!
Music na tayo. Thank you sa ating Shomai Rice. Thank you so much, Kuya John, for our wonderful Shomai.
Oy, thank you, thank you. Uy, na-operated chicken diri po.
Ano din?
Ay, kalamay sa mga kuwan. Thank you kayo sa mga tumas kabili no sa atong
Ano wala ba sa unaw na ano din?
So back to the ball game po tayo. Balboa. Balik kay Arnoco. With the screen from Balboa. Cancel the screen. For shoot. Arnoco driving the basket. Wow! 2 points for Arnoco.
Yes, for that fast break. Ooh, a clean block by Ecleo. Inbound. Ooh, nice pass. Kitang-kita. 2 points for Diaz. Jumper by Mark McCall, no good. Two points, another 2 points for Team Ares. That will fall from Manroco. Ecleo. Back Ecleo. Mark McCall. Mark McCall, ball rotation. Jumper. Medrano for 2 points. Baloa. Uy, dalawang isip pala. Pero again, driving the basket. In traffic, loose ball. And there's the foul.
63. Yeah, first ball. First part.
Ano tama ba ito dari? No.
14 to shoot. And to shoot.
Grabing block yun mga ka-GBL. So now back muna tayo for this play.
Grabe, napasarap yung kain natin.
Nagutom. Nagutom kami sa overtime na yun. And anyway, thank you so much, Kuya Chan. Alright, so now Loka Baloa is now really Mall and now making a play for his team. Play Arnoco, jumper for 3. No good. And now rebound by Cleo to Taganos. Taganos is back at the ball game. Getting a play, a pass to number 24. Ooh, that's tip off. Uy, there's a whistle.
Del,
14 to shoot.
Mark Bangkal to the inbound, looking for an open man. Wala there. To Taganos. To Mark Bangkal, side corner for 3. No good. Oh, wala pa rin, Mintes. Yes. 2 points. Score 23-31 in 6 minutes remaining for the second quarter. Battling for the ball. Suarez got the piece of it. Short. Arnoco got the rebound. Loka Baloa. Looking for an open man. Reset. Making a play for his team. Waiting for some of the members of the team others. Driving the basket pass to Arnoco. And that would be a loose ball. And that would be a nice defense from team Gavilan Tramunco. Oh, and that would be a clean block. But somehow at some point, tinawagan ng foul. Okay, so Baloa has we got another foul. And that would be a substitution.
Rogers number 59. Second foul. Second team foul out.
All right, so Cleo will go to the line for 2 free throws. No good.
grabe kasarap sa siomay. Pahilom ba?
Yos. Shout out sa nagluto ng siomay sa labas. Ang sarap ng siomay mo. Okay, so back to the ball game now. No free throw counted sa free throw na yun ni Cleo. Okay, looking for a man. Loka Baloa. Driving the basket. Double team. Arnoco open for 3 to meet an tres. Bang! Arnoco for 3 points. Oh, yeah, so we have 28-31 Atlanta score. We be a loose ball. Yes, wow, grabe. Another 3, 4, yes naman this time, mga kaibigan, mga ka-GBL. Talagang laki ng percentage ng outside shooting ng ating Team Mares. Struggling ang ating Team Relas from the 3, but again, 2 points for number 3. Suarez got 2 points. (33-31). Ayan. Reyes. Driving the basket and easy to... Oy! Lumabas! Babas na dalawang lamang ng ating team. Raela Trabunco, 33-31 under 4 minutes in the second quarter. Shout out din naman sa ating mga kapulisan. Shout out sa ating BPAT. Sa ating CDRMO. Thank you so much sa ating mga men in uniform. Maraming salamat for your service. Gonzalez jumper for two. No good. And that will be a rebound for Balsita. Balsita looking for an open man. Pass to Arnoo. Arnoo driving. Looking for an open man. And nakita si Balsita sa ilalim pero sayang. Lumabas. Napalakas lang yung tira. And Taganos, John Mark Taganos, 3-2 defend. Oh, no good. But nakuha pa rin Taganos. Taganos 62 points for John Mark Taganos. 35-31. 30 minutes and 31 seconds remaining. Arnoo. Pasigaw naman defense ng ating napakagandang defense din ang pakita ng ating Raila Trabuco. Cassia, Taganos, Reyes in the corner for three. Bang! Reyes for 3 points. Same spot, same result. 38-31, talangan na score. Lamang ng 7 ang ating Raila Trabuco. Under 2 minutes and 57. Arnoo. Steal by Taganos. Nakarecover sa Arnoo. Oh, and that will be a foul counted. Sayang yung defense ang yun, but that will be a foul for Cassia. And Alikaway.
First foul.
Alcantara, sorry. Alcantara will go to the line for a 3-point play opportunity. No good. Rebound by Cassia. Gonzalez tumawag ng screen. Reyes open to the side corner. Tumira na naman. The other side. Bang! The other side na naman. Grabe percentage ng 3-point shot ni Reyes this time mga ka-GBL. Sa score po tayo sa laan. 41-33 under 2 minutes and 23 seconds. Balsita. Seeing up the defense. Villaver got the screen. Almost lost it. Arnoo. Speed move, attacking the basket. Jumper for 2, and now good, and that would be a rebound for Gonzalez. Keep up the Balsita. Good defense for Balsita. Balsita attacking the basket. Driving, and it's a clean block by Cassia. Timeout, Team Aris. And that timeout is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Uy, League and we can do it.
20 fouls.
So kita-kita nyo naman guys sa ating camera this time sa ating mga commentators na talagang gutom na gutom kami. Pero talagang napakaganda ng laruan guys. Kita-kita nyo naman for the first game and the second game talagang bigdikan pa rin ang laban between the Team Ares and Team Raila Trabuco. So much more excited to make a play for that adjustment at talaga makahabol ang ating Team Ares to pantayan ng Team Ares ang Team Raila Trabuco sa kanilang basketball play this time mga ka-GBL. So yun, coaches is now making some adjustment for the Team Ares for another gameplay. So tignan natin kung mag-bounce back sila in this round. So back to the ball game po tayo.
It's a di ako ya. Ako na pa namang yo. Dali.
Substitution rep.
Rep. So yes, we're on our so naman nga quarter ko ya. Mag-third na. So second quarter pa lang di ay tanos, 2 minutes pa di ay nabilin 41-33 stay Labaw. Labaw ang ato ang 1 minute and 48 seconds on our second quarter. 41-33 Labaw ang Raila Trabuco.
Jersey number 23, Balsita, first foul. Right for PNP.
(42-33), 1 minute and 44 seconds. We'd also like to acknowledge the presence of our atong PNP, no? Sa atong mga men in uniform, CDRMO, sa atong safety. And of course, sa mga barangay Tanod, sa barangay Tomas Kabili, thank you so much mga ma'am, mga sir. And this would not be possible because kumalagit ang suporta sa atong barangay Captain Honorable si Charvis Shakur. So back to the ball game. Remaining time, 1 minute and 16 seconds, 42-35, still in favor of Rayela Trabunco. Rayela Trabunco on white, and RS Wondertech on brown. So this is the semi-final round. This is the game 1 of a best of 3 series. Dikere, oh, nice bank shot by Dikere, the older brother of Iman Dikere from Rayela Trabunco. Gonzales,
Seconds remaining.
pass to Reyes. Si Reyes naghahanap ng kakampi.
Take a shoot.
He's looking for a screen, but he opted to pass to number 11, Surya. What a nice pass by Surya. To Luguban in the under for 2 points. We have a ball game, 44-37. Seconds to play in the second quarter. Lamang pa rin ang Rayela Trabunco. So sa mga bago lang nag-tune in, we're live now at Barangay Tomas Cabile, courtesy of Barangay Captain si Charves Shakur. And 2 points right away by Romy Balsita, the veteran. Surya, pass to Reyes. Reyes for the pull-up jumper, and it's good. Grabe naman tong si The Boy. Murag kondisyon kay si The Boy karon, Kuya Jerbs. And here comes Luca Balua. Luca Balua dribbling the ball, looking for a teammate. Pass to Dekira, the 3-point specialist. And we have a timeout for the second quarter. 46-39. 46-39. Labaw og pito. Labaw og pito ang Rayela Trabunco. Mga
the big five of GDL. Special recognition partner, Alan Purified Water, and official merchandise partner, Purchase Sports. You're witnessing the game 1 of the semifinals between Rayela Trabunco versus RS Wondertech.
Okay, back to the ball game. 46-39 ang atong score. Uy, natin mong kwan. Islog na. Thank you. Hindi lang ang score natin is 48-39. Lamang pa rin ang Rayela Trabunco. Okay, back. Check. 50-39. Let's go.
Alright, so back na po tayo sa Backmaster G.
Yeah.
Busog na. And then, so live na ngayon. So let's go. Back to ball game tayo. Ball. Okay, Baloa. Basita, kaya the basket. Uy, there's passing to Villaver. And that will be 2 points for Villaver. And that's ball movement ng ating team Ares na pinakikita natin. Gonzales.
Turn. Here we go.
Okay, basket counted 2 points. For Balsita.
Instant replay brought to you by Honorable si Sharvi Sakur sa atong instant replay.
Yan.
51-45, 8 minutes and 14 seconds sa atong third quarter. Labaw pa rin. Lamang pa rin ang Rayela Trabunco in white, Ares in brown. Soria for a fake to Reyes. Mainit ang kamay for 3. Heat check. Wala na. Okay, Arnoco, long pass to Balua number 77.
Luca Baloa. 2 points. Contested shot yun ha. Hindi madali yun. But anyway.
Grabe.
Score 51-47. Under 7 minutes and 45 for the third.
Kasia. Oh, ano. By the way, kuya, si Kasia taga-diri gini sa Tomas Kabili together with Ecleo and Rabe. So mga naagid sila yung mga unay nga players nga taga-diri. But once again, this is an open commercial basketball league. This is siya inter-barangay. So we're witnessing Iligan's best.
Yes, finest players.
Yeah, and of course, din sa Iligan kuya. Wow! Speaking of
galing
best
yun.
kuya,
Arnoco.
what a move by Arnoco, one of the 3-point specialists of GBL, no? According to stats kuya, isa siya sa mga top 5 nato nga mga 3-point shooters.
Yes.
Rebound by Villaver.
Yes, Gonzalez forcing that shot. No good. Rebound by Baloa.
Ala, ni Duwal na pa ng-
Oh, and that
kuya,
would be a nice pass play from
Sana sa
Baloa to Dikiri.
it only proves nga semifinals na gid kuya kay
Yes.
ang dula di gid maglagyo. 53-51, 6 minutes and 52 seconds on our third quarter. Wow!
Baka mag-overtime lang
Ang
tayo nito,
gandang
guys.
dalawa no ni Surya.
Hindi na ako magsabi ng overtime kasi pag magsabi ko ng overtime, nagiging
Tama na
reality.
kuya. Kayo na mag-overtime, sakto na. But anyways, kung matakabalo,
Pakitaan yun nila. Arloco for 3, no good. To
rebound by number 11, Surya. Okay, pass to Lubkuban.
Gonzalez.
And Gonzalez to Lubkuban.
Nice pass.
Overpassing yata yun. Oh, may gali nakuha na ni Gonzalez.
Recover by the Gonzalez.
Ito na si Reyes. Nag-fake. Wow! Grabe naman to si number 8.
Layup for Reyes, 2 points.
Wow, and an instant replay by Honorable si Jarvis. 57-51, 6 minutes on the third quarter remaining time. Balsita on the fake and
Nice
the
fake.
oh.
Reverse
What a-
layup. And that will be 2 points. So,
Yeah, the
timeout. Napatawag ng timeout ang ating Raela Trabunco from that layup offense by Balsita. And the timeouts once again, mga ka-GBL, is brought to you by
Music.
Honorable Vice Mayor Wick Wick. Iligan, we can do it. Okay, so now maraming salamat sa ating mga viewers na nanonood sa ating YouTube and Facebook Live. Maraming
Let's
salamat
go.
for also sa ating mga ka-live viewers na talagang staying tuned with us at this very late evening.
11:05. We still have a ball game. GBL Season 1 semifinals between your Rayela Trabunco representing Barangay Tomas Kabili and of course Ares XD Wonder Tech. So we'd like to announce na ang atong whole semifinals diri i-held nato sa atoang Barangay Tomas Kabili Gymnasium.
Yes.
Okay, back to the ball game. 57-53, 6 minutes on the third quarter. Lamang pa rin ang Rayela Trabunco on white. Sa mga bago lang nag-tune in, no, welcome sa tuang GBL Season 1.
Cleo.
Yeah, pwede ko mga
Reyes.
isa ko yung ay. Natag scrap seals. Hurot ng tingog.
Dala.
Thank you. Sana naman Kuya Vin. Oh, da.
All right, so Dikiri, Baloa, back to Dikiri. Arnoco driving the basket. Wow, that's a good thing, but tip off.
Yes, na nagpangutana, wala si Rabi. Nag-coach siya sa sideline kay injured ang ilang
Oh, a
team
clean block
captain.
also from Dikiri. Yeah. Baloa to Balsita, attacking the basket. Pass to Arnoco. Nakuha ni Villaver. And Villaver got the 2.
John R. Velasquez, ulag mo. Suarez, gahi kayo na si Suarez. Pani Suarez to.
59-55. Ang strana score lamang ng 4 ng ating team. Rayela Trabunco under 4 minutes and 52. Luca Baloa driving the basket and pasa naman sa gilid ni Arno for another three. No good. And rebound by Ecleo.
Remaining time, 4 minutes and 40 seconds in the third quarter. 59-55. Lamaw pa rin ang Rayela Trabuco on white.
Rebound by Nikiri. Arnoco through one. Okay, basket counted by Arnoco for 2 points. Score 59-57. Lamang lang dalawa. Under 4 minutes and 18. Hindi ka din laban na to, Kuya John. Grabe, napakaganda. Okay, Taganos. Labas kay Reyes. Reyes attacking the basket. Driving and 2 points for Reyes.
Grabe, kahit 11:08 na kuya, no? Ang dami pa rin nating mga live viewers and also sa ato ang mga on-site viewers kuya dito mismo sa gymnasium.
Live viewers natin sa ating
Natin Mascabili. So you're witnessing a semi-final round between Rayela Trabuco and RS Wonder Tech 61.
Trabuco, first foul, first team foul. Shot clock 14.
61-57, remaining time, 3 minutes and 49 seconds in our third quarter. Shout out to the men in uniform, ang PNP Station 1, and of course, ang ato ang CDRRMO. Grabe, ang mga barangay tanod na to sa barangay Tomas Kabili. Thank you so much, mga sir, mga ma'am. Uy, anong nangyari?
There will be a referee timeout. Paano to si...
Parang friendly fire. Naigo ni... Anong nangyari? Murag naigo ang precious eggs. Si Taganos man siguro yung nakaigo. Katawa naman si man in the mask. No Rabi, no problem. Reyes lang sa kalam. Kuyawan na.
61-59 tayo guys.
Advance na kaayo sa finals. Ura, kusa naman yung mga pa-shoutout. Ahos Gaming. Jerwin Ralph. Uy, Reyes. Grabe. Ito na si Luca Balua. What a pass to Arno. Sayang nga lang, hindi nakuha. Ito. Taganos. Idangkin ni. Aw, dili di ay. Pero niya ka nang unya.
Hindi kayo sakit pa kayo.
Sakit dito.
Sakit pa.
Yeah,
Adjust.
Ito na. 63-59.
Ayan, so under 2 minutes and 57 remaining in time, 63-59.
Arnoco. Muntik na yun. What a pass! Wow!
Ooh,
Binitin
galing.
pa sa ere ni Alcantara.
Yes, Alcantara for that wonderful pump fake na, no?
Magaling, 63-61. 2-point ball game, Kuya Jerbs.
Sabi.
Mag-overtime na sa Tani, no?
Okay lang yan, busog na ako.
Busog na bitaw no?
Kahit pag 5 overtime tayo ngayon to make a history na naman.
Huwag naman. Demaro, wala. Uy, Taganos! Ang maliit na mama, no? Kahit may ang ilong na damage, no?
Small but terrible.
Ito si Alcantara from Lanao. Pastor Noy, what a
Uy, binalikan kay Alcantara pero malakas lang.
Hindi po. Sayang.
Sayang talaga.
Uy, na-steal. Uy, baluwak! Ano ba talaga, kuya? Alcantara hindi makonvert. Pero sige lang.
Papalakas lang.
Sayang.
Papalakas na yung tira. Sayang naman. Pwede na ba eh?
Galing. Pa-shout out, Ralph Padilla. Sir, maing gabi.
Shout out to you, Ralph Padilla. Thank you for watching.
Junji. Kuya Junji.
Ikaw, missionary, no? Sabutan na lang pinay ba?
First row, basket counted for Alcantara. Ready for rebound po tayo for second row. Alcantara in the line.
Kuya Umeres, no? Smiling kayo. Simis. Magaling. Magaling, kuya.
Rooting pa naman ako kay Sir Rivera sa maglalaro ngayon kasi
Ito na, Taganos for the fake. Guarded by Alcantara. Pass to his body. Andy Gonzalez. Back to Taganos. Wala, short.
Dikiri got the rebound.
Ito na si Dikere. Pass to Luca Balua. Baluca looking for a teammate. Alcantara is on the move. Alcantara. Uy!
Oh, another foul na naman.
Wala naman. 2 free throws. So 62-63. Isa na lang, kuya.
Dikdikan pa rin yung laban. Ito yung magandang laban ko yan, Jan. Na
Yes.
talagang hindi aabot ng, landslide victory, kumbaga, no? Kasi hindi aabot ng 10, more than 10 points ang lamang.
Expected to win kasi semis to.
Oo, semis.
These are four of the best
Yes.
teams with actually.
What will you expect having two great teams, no?
Same
Okay,
kanina.
first row, Alcantara.
Same kanina, kuya. Di ba nakita natin yung laro ng Sultan sa Kabadjang? Overtime na naman.
Overtime. Pero talagang, sa lahat siguro kuya dyan, for that overtime, yun yung pinaka-the best na overtime.
Yeah, and sana wag naman mag-overtime na yun. Pero anyways, naka-dinner naman.
Okay na.
Pwede
Thank you
na.
so much kuya dyan for the
Pero
show my rice and
kung pwede
chicken.
lang, ayaw na. 63-64. 141. Gonzales!
Wow, sayang. But anyway,
Power rebound by ano? Anong nangyari doon, kuya? Wala, isuki sila. Sige.
meeting mo na yung SBB.
Meeting sila. Tarungin yung ref, no? Tarungin.
Tarungin yun. Pero lamang na dito ay ang Ares, 65-63.
Kailang magida score.
Yeah.
65-6. Sakto na, Del, ang score? I-coordinate daw sa... Okay, ang score?
Okay, so 1 minute na tayo. Baba sa 1 minute and 5.
Okay, 65 na daw ang Ares. Ay, lamang na ang Ares. Ito na.
For that free throw kasi ni Alcantara.
Remaining time, 1 minute 17 seconds.
Alcantara made a lot of free throws kaya lumamang yan ng 65. 65. Oo, nakuha.
Dangerous pass yun, kuya.
Ayan,
Taga-oy to
Araneta.
Araneta. Wow!
2 points for Araneta.
Wow, that is power replay by Honorable Sharbe Sakur.
Our punong barangay o barangay Tomas Kabiling na napakaganda ng ating gymnasium na yun, guys. Ayan, mga ka-GPL. Last 1 minute for the third. Uy, another foul na naman. And ito yung effective play ng Team Ares na talagang nakakakuha ng foul kaya dyan si Alcantara. Kaya humabol sila at saka nakalamang because of the free throw. Consistent yung tira ni Alcantara for this free throw.
Yes. Yes, also kuya, nakita naman natin kanina yung Sultans, no? Grabe poor shooting. Buti na lang umabot ng overtime kasi pag hindi yun, talagang napaka...
Hindi naman makakatulog yung hindi marunong mag-free throw.
Gaya ni Adnan. Yung sa-
Yes, last time.
It cost them number 2 spot
Yes.
ng Sultans. But anyways, lessons are learned. So hopefully free throws, no? Di natin I take for granted yan.
50 seconds tayo ha. Yan.
65, 66, lamang ko rin ang... Ito. May foul si Alcantara. So grabe. Third quarter. Isara ang labaw. Isara ang labaw ko yan. Murag di man ni mulayo giding mga dilaan eh.
Shout out Janice Mendoza. Thank you for watching. We have CBL Factories Upload. Thank you so much for watching. Jam Ibrahim Polayagan. Thank you for watching. Mga ka-GBL John Blair. Kevin Enopia. Thank you so much for watching. Sir Jasper Neal by Banail Nal. Thank you for watching. Also Norman A. Pipito. Thank you so much for watching po. Sir Al. Thank you so much for watching mga ka-GBL. Ayan. So shout out po kayo. Sige mo po. Shout out.
Shout out.
Nakuha ni Taganos. To
Ecleo!
And 2 points for the Correo. Good one. And alright, so game ayan, time up na po tayo for the third quarter. Wow, grabe kuya. Eto, Raela got a great momentum. Lumawang sila ng tatlo. 69-66 in the end of the third quarter. So there you go. The third quarter is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wick Ligan. We can do it. Thank you so much, Vice Mayor Wick.
And of course, kuya, GBL Season 1 is presented to us by Mayor Freddy Xiao. And it is named Mayor Freddy Xiao Cup.
Yeah,
And together with our co-presenter, Honorable Vice Mayor Wek Uy, Councilor Derek Xiao,
And
Councilor King Belmonte, and completing the top 5
Yan.
and top 5 na GBL nato na shareholders, Honorable si Sharbe Shakur.
Thank you so much, our local government unit of Barangay Tomas Kabiling, headed by our punong barangay. Napaka-generous.
Yes.
Napakabait, no? At
Grabe.
talagang ano talaga,
Blessed
very
na blessed.
supportive, no?
Blessed na blessed ang barangay Tomas Kabili sa kanilang punong barangay.
Yeah, talagang nanood talaga si Kapitan. No?
Nagpo-premyo pa
It's
ganun
also
sa
a fan, yeah. It's also a fan ng ating basketball team. Ang ating Team GBL. Alright, so now moving on to the... Uy, eto na. Eto na kaya
Fourth
dyan.
quarter na.
Eto na kaya dyan.
Fourth
Fourth
quarter.
quarter, pero ang ano, dikita ng laban.
69-66.
Puli-puli na yun sila kisimula ba?
Wala gini.
You know the drill. Pagkinahan eh.
Ako ba taga-pila ni? Overnight. Dili na overtime.
Hindi na overnight na.
Okay, back to the ball game.
Baloa. Sizing up. Villaver. Uy, that would be battle for the ball. Villaver got another steal. Uy, kinuha parang lollipop lang ni Cleo. And Gonzalez got the 2 points. Ito yung ginagawa ng Raela Trabuco kuya dyan. Pagdating sa fourth quarter, they are going to create a momentum in the first 2 minutes before the time. So ito, magkakasunod-sunod na to yung momentum nila. Tignan natin, tama tayo, no?
And let's see what Aris will do no,
Yes.
to counter. Villaver for the fake. Muntik na yun, ha? Villaver, hindi. Ay, by the way, si Villaver, taga Tomas Kabili din.
Oh,
Ito. What a pass to Ecleo. Oh, sayang nga
pinapon
lang.
lang.
Sayang. What a sloppy pass by Ecleo. Ito. May substitution tayo.
Okay, si Alcantara.
Alcantara is in. Villaver out. 71-66. 9 minutes and 8 seconds at ang fourth and final quarter. Ito na. Barangay Tomas Kabili. This is it. Oh! Arnauto.
Ganda!
Uy! Ay, may foul.
Talagang very effective si Alcantara sa kanyang nilalaro ngayon tonight. Kuya Jan, lang nakakakuha siya ng foul. In every offense, Kuya Jan. Ayan, so Alcantara will now go to the line na naman.
Gawi, shout out. Ton, not. Ay. Mayong gabi, Barangay Tomas Kabili and all the viewers from all over the Philippines and all over the world. No? Sa ato ang mga kababayan sa Middle East.
Yes!
Sa kababayan nato sa North America. And of course sa Europe, maayong gabi, maayong buntag. Fresh from Iligan City.
Yes.
This is your GBL Season 1.
Yes.
Presented to you by Mayor Freddy Xiao. And powered by SciTech Live Broad.
Ayan, maraming salamat Kuya John.
And
Talagang
the-
isa ka blessing sa amin dito na talagang binibigay natin yung best of the best quality of viewing ng ating live streaming powered by SciTech DMS Boss.
And Kuya, not only that, no, as we have mentioned, this is the first and only league that we have full media coverage and full game statistics and analytics.
And totoo bang balita Kuya John, di pa tayo tapos for our season 1. Talagang complete na tayo sa lineup for this season 2.
Puno na teams natin. Ha?
Talagang napakaganda. Oh, Alcantara na naman. And that will be no good. This time.
So actually, Kuya, ang atong season 2, itunong na to sa July para
Yes.
makahulay tag mga 2 months and then mahuman siya September
Yes,
para sa tong Fiesta celebration.
very
That's the plan, Kuya. Shout out.
Yan,
Magawas
Reyes
na
for
si
three.
sa maning mga kuan diri. Grabe mga comments diri. So eto na. 74-68. Oo, nag-reserve sila ng ano.
I'm out Aries, and that time was brought to you by Robo Vice Mayor Quick League, and we can do it. Shout out sa ating mga live viewers. Thank you for watching. Ka-GWL, Jam Ibrahim, Pulayagan.
Uy.
Ayan, so thank you so much sa talagang guys. Napakagwapo, lakas mga gwapo ng ating camera, ng ating SciTech DMS Sports. So anyway, Coach Jan, I'm so very happy to see all those highlight natin today, no? From the 3-point play doon tapos yung yung overtime natin. Talagang napaka-reels yung ating mga vloggers natin, guys. Anyway, so this time, we would like to entice everybody to support our Facebook page. Kung hindi pa nakapag-follow na po kayo because for updates na highlights doon po namin i-showcase. So please, kung hindi pa nakapag-follow na tayo sa ating GBL Game Time Basketball League. Ayan, for Facebook page. And sa mga subscribers natin sa YouTube channel, subscribe na kayo.
Yeah, so You may be asking anong duha mong mic ng isa sa live, ang isa sa among on-site live.
Taganos. So good.
And of course, there's this merch na to is brought to you by
Yeah.
4J Sports, di ba?
Yes, maganda. Thank you so much, Sir Jumpet. Kuya Jumpet. Okay, maraming salamat sa inyo.
19 to shoot.
So 74-68. Remaining time, 7 minutes 32 seconds in the fourth and final quarter.
Ito na. Dikiri, sizing up. Talaga si Dikiri is also performing well sa kanilang run for this
Wow!
tingnan natin. Grabe
What a
na
pass.
connection na yun.
Galing kuya. Ang galing nun. Shout out, Talanghati brother. Yopan Balukig Talanghati.
So good. Rebound by Taganos. Taganos for 2. Grabe, napaka-effective talagang laruan ni Taganos. Parang hindi na injured yung talagang nose niya kasi talagang composer niya still having a good play.
Ito na, 76, 70.
Oo, dinidepensa ni Araneta.
Ready to shoot.
Alcantara naman, jumper for 2 and 2 points for Alcantara.
Ay, so nalubat ang akong kuan. So, dilis ako sa live.
Yes. Taganos, jumper for 2. No good. Defensive rebound by Gonzalez. Reyes. Taganos to Dikiri, no good. Oh, no good for Araneta. Rebound by Luca Baloa, and that would be a foul for Taganos. Shout out, thank you so much for watching, Muhammad Sajin Marmay. Thank you for watching, Fabian Razo, Kidio Ramos Pongkoga. Thank you so much for watching po. Tuloy po tayo sa shout out. Sa mga gusto mo pa shout out online. Thank you so much, everybody.
Yes, Dikiri versus Dikiri. Indeed, grabe good mga Dikiri brothers.
Yes. Alcantara. Arnogo firing for 3.
No, Nias, that was Nias, kuya.
Yes pala, sorry.
Ite.
Pareho kasi sila ni Arnogo, naka-white t-shirt.
Oh, naka-white, sila, undershirt.
Undershirt.
Sponsored by White Undershirt by 4J Sports. Ay, grabe naman na 4J Sports.
Oo naman, iba pag 4G Sports.
Iba talaga po 4J Sports.
Lahat dito sa GBL, mga ka-GBL, are quality. From inuming tubig, amlan, purified drinking
Amlan,
water, from our viewership and sa our technology na ginagamit, from Scientech Fraud, talagang napaka-high definition quality pa rin ang binibigay. And also sa ating merch natin from 4J Active Sportswear, talagang quality at finest talaga yan.
Yeah, speaking of quality, kuya, iba talaga itong sa GBL natin kasi pinaghandaan natin to for our Iligan City and of course the neighboring towns. And by the way, sa itong season 2, kuya, dili na nato ma-expect na Iligan City lang because there are neighboring towns and cities who would participate. So actually, sa mga gusto mag-join, naanami screening, our atong time frame is July to
July.
September.
Yes.
Kaya we are hoping na ato yung i-timing na atong championship sa sa Fiesta celebration.
Yes. And that will be also one of the highlights for the City Event Fiesta in Iligan. No?
Yes, of course. This is brought to us by, of
Right.
course, Mayor
Yeah.
Freddy Xiao, together with our Honorable Vice Mayor Wekwek Uy, Congressman, Councilor Derek Xiao, and of course, Councilor King Belmonte, together with the newest member of the Big Five, Honorable si Shelby Shakur.
And also, maraming salamat sa ating GBL commissioners natin.
Yes, of course.
Commission, kumbaga, kami Commissioner Junji.
And of course, our Ambassador Mikoy.
Yes.
The GBL Mike Master G, of
Yes.
course, Kuya Jervin, Raymond Alili,
And Sir Kuya John,
God be the glory.
our league chairman for this GBL Season 1.
Ito na.
Uy!
Uy!
Walang tinawagan na foul na yun.
Mga banggaan there and everywhere. Uy, block by the Kerry. Galing talaga naman. Ito sila. Galit na galit si Mighty Mouse.
Gonzalez, personal foul. Ready for penalty.
Uy, tinawagan na ng third personal foul si Taganos.
78-73. Fourth quarter na ta, mga silingan. 4 minutes and 37 seconds remaining. My goodness. Kani, eto na. Nandito na si Luca Balua. 5-point ball game. Eto na, in umaattack. Oh, what a move by Luca. Luka Balua. Uy, matamog again.
Inulit na naman.
Inulit na naman. Ang hesitation. Ito na, nakawala. Oy!
Ay! Nawala!
Ay!
Naiwanan si Gonzales. that
Iniwan
time.
pati ang girlfriend. Grabe po yan naman. Actually, magkabatch itong si Balua at saka si Andy eh. So, magkaibigan tong dalawang to. And next
Kaya pala.
season, I guest team from other CTVs. Actually, we have 4 guest teams. 2 from Misamis Oriental and 2 from Lanao.
Grabe ko yun. Diyan, yun talagang mga best of the best of players sila talaga isasalag na tayo for sure, no?
Marag sa iliga na to, mga bilin nga teams, upat na lang siguro.
Oh, yes.
Depende lang ano, no? Depende sa screening nato nga itong buhat.
Talaga naman.
Hopefully na kuha na to siya. So but let's see kung saan may tabuan dito. Taas pa man po daw panahon.
Ayan, Luka Baloa missing that 3-point opportunity play.
So once again, welcome to GBL Season
Yes
1.
naman. Oh, good.
This is the first ever open commercial with full media production and real-time game statistics and analytics.
Ayan,
Yes.
counted for Reyes.
I think this is first in Mindanao, maybe in the
Yes.
Bismin area. Actually, sa Luzon lang po nagaganap tong mga ganitong mga production at saka yung game stats natin.
Talagang pang MPBL standard ko yan dyan, di ba?
Iba talaga kuya pag ano, nag-effort tayo. We do it with passion
O
kuya.
mag-invite mo laing nasud.
Ang invite mo laing nasod. Taro nga sa inyong
Hopefully, no? Nothing is impossible.
Na ipakita mo sa wayan mo. Sige sir,
Nothing
hopefully.
impossible. Arnoka for
Ato
3.
ng meetingan sir. Kasi
No good. Yes pala yan.
si Sir Abdul. So open naman tayo for criticism,
Yeah.
open tayo for suggestions.
And again, yes, humans we are not perfect, but anyway, we're doing our best para man. Gonzalez on our 2 timeout team. Ares.
So hopefully 84-75. We have a 9-point ball game.
Yes, Sorella Domingo having a great commanding lead na 9 points. Ayun. Ano ba? 84-45? Anyway, 75 pala. All right, so that timeout is brought to you by Honorable Vice Mayor Wick Iligan. We can do it. And again, baba na po tayo sa ating fourth quarter mga ka-GBL. Ayan. Napakagandang tignan yung ano, piyanda, no? Yung, ano ba? Yung full view ng parang panoramic na view na talagang kitang-kita ng ganda ng gymnasium ng ating Barangay Tomas Kabili Gymnasium Multipurpose Hall. Maraming salamat again to our Honorable Captain, si Sharvi Sakura. Thank you so much, Kapitan. Ayan. Baloa, Balsita is back to the ball game. Tingnan natin kung may impact si Balsita. Ayan, Alcantara, back to Baloa for 3. In and out. Napakabait talaga ni Taganos, no? And yan pa nag-ayos. Thank you so much, our Mighty Mouse, Taganos. John Mark Taganos now dribbling the ball. Making a time for his teammates Gonzalez, back to the Taganos left. And now Reyes. Okay, speed move, fadeaway shot, no good. Rebound by Gonzalez, and back to Reyes. And Taganos, jumper for 2, no good pa rin. And that would be rebound by Alcantara. Alcantara to Balsita. Balsita driving the basket. Ooh, a strip by Gonzalez. Taganos got the ball. Pass to Kiri, and the Kiri 2 points. Napakagandang ball movement. Arnoco for 2. 2 points for Arnoco. All right, so last 2 minutes na po tayo. Last 2 minutes. 86-77 ang talangan ng score. Reyes. Jumper na naman for Dikiri, and that would be no good. Rebound by Gonzalez. But there's a foul, and there's a whistle. And now, free throws will come for Gonzalez. First throw, no good. Pabigla si Balsita that time. First throw ko lang yan. No? Ready for rebound. Still bounce out. No good for the free throw. Dalawang free throw ni Nia Gonzalez. Di na pumasok. Luka Baloa under 1 minute and 27. No good. Yeah, substitution. Remaining time 1 minute and 23, 78, 86. Ang kailangan score. Lamang ang Rela Trabungo. Ng 8 points. Ito na. Taganos driving the basket. Pass to Dikiri. Oh, no short po tayo that time. Iban by Luka Baloa. Luka Baloa driving the basket now. Looking for an open man. Pasa kay Arloco. Balik kay Dikiri. Dikiri. Jumper for 2. No good. Rebound by Alcantara. And up with 2 points for number 32. Limbaga. Taganos. Last 1 minute pa tayo. Ooh. Reyes for 3. No good.
Rebound by Luka Balua. 6 point. 6 point. Full game naman din eh. Uy, nabuyan.
Ay!
Dikiri. Oh! Ang 4 point. Ano, nasa ni?
Parang kita-kita ko na sa TV.
Uy, uy. Hala, kuya.
Allah, tanawa
4 point ball game. Kung matres ni, patay gid.
Oh!
Oh my God! Nanasad nilang game. Overtime na sa tani.
Parang di na ginahan mo mention overtime kaya dyan.
86,
Overtime
84.
ba? 2 points na lang bababa sa 2 points ang lamang ng Team Rela Trabungo. Under 20 seconds.
20 seconds. We have a ball game, 86-84, 2-point ball game. Remaining time, 20 seconds. Tumas Kabili. Katong nakaabay o naka-plus. Piti. Wala na nilabot na inyong mga transaksyon. Basta kay kami nag-enjoy ni.
Oh, is that na lang yung overtime pa, di ba?
Ako bitaw, pagtanaw bitaw magdula. Pasmay na lang gini ko mag-apila ng mga transaksyon diya kay di pagkakulbaan. Tingala ka daog na yung team, pildi ka pong ka kay nakaabay man yung last man.
Yan
Overnight.
Overnight na naman.
Hindi overtime.
Shout out sa ating ka-ABC natin, Archidon Huegos. Anak gina bro, overnight na ginapuntahan na po. Let's go!
Pa itong, ay, kita ang doka ko. Kung natay super ultra wide view. Yes.
Ito na guys, ito na.
Okay, tindog mga silingan.
Okay, ready na yung mga videos ninyo.
Okay, 20 seconds. Oy, we have a quick foul. Foul.
18 seconds.
Ito na. 20 seconds. Uy. 13 foul pa, layo pa.
Live pa, pero 17. Ilang oras lang ba yan?
17 seconds. Ay, nako. 84-86. Basta semifinals na gid siya.
Dapat maglipat si Baloa ng high ball.
Hala, basin master na ni. Uy, muntik na. Hala. Uy, nakalusot. Hala, pasa. Pangpasa. O ito. Okay, kill the time. 12, 10 seconds. 8, 9 seconds. Ay, wala.
Wala.
Wala man na tao. Sayang.
Time out.
Ay, wala. Oh, good. Ay, kitira. 3 points. Oh.
Na-release na. Alright, so there you go. End of the regulation tayo. And now,
80. Ay, kasayang.
88-84, end of the regulation. Panalo, Raela Trabuco.
Pero okay ra kuya kay para din na overtime. Pero sayang no, 86-84. Wala lang na mismanage lang.
Walang bantay doon si Dikiri na iwanan. So, focus lang talaga sila
As
sa
lang
Manning.
Big Boss, kinsay nagdaog sa first game. Daog ang Sultan.
Overtime yun. Magandang laruan din between the two teams. But anyway, so there you go mga ka-GBL. We are done with our second game for tonight's schedule between the first matchup between the best three series of Raela Trabunco and Team Aris. Talagang maganda yung pinapakita ng laban but short po talaga sila sa oras. Panalo ang ating Raela Trabunco getting a commanding lead of 1-0 in the three best.
Sino kaya ating best player of the game kuya?
Tingnan natin.
Take over kuya, Jervin. Grabe. Once again, this is GBL Season 1 Mayor Freddy Xiao Cup. And of course, co-presented by Vice Mayor Rick Uy, Councilor Derek Xiao, Councilor King Belmonte, and the newest member of the Big Five,
Okay, so once
Honorable
once
Barangay
again,
Captain si Jarvis Shakur. And sayang walang overtime. Sayang wala. Okay, nandito na si Kuya Jervis to take over.
And together with our team, Raela Trabunco, for the best of three series. And for the game one, nakuha po ang panalo ng ating Raela Trabunco. Munti ka na po mag-overtime, but there's a miscommunication on the defense between the team Ares and hindi natawagan ng early timeout. Naubos ang oras. So now, the commanding lead for this series goes to Raela Trabunco.
Kana may sure. Kay mo ni una mawala.
Isdikan ang laban, both the game 1 and game 2. Talagang best of the best na po yung big four natin, ng mga players and team players natin na sa laruang ito, talagang semifinals era na talaga, or energy na talaga ang ipinapakita natin. So now, let us now prepare ourselves to call over our Derek Xiao, player of the game. So this time, we would like to request Coach Robbie. Coach.
Coach. Rabi. Ikaw.
So guys, okay, let us hear out also one of the assistant coach, Mr. Robbie, our assistant coach. So Robbie, please join me here, sir. Dito ba tayo? Sir, congratulations on your win. Now you have a commanding 1-0 lead for the best of series. Now, despite that you are injured, you are really great. Despite na injured ka ngayon, but somehow your presence really give a boost sa inyong team. So, what's your motivation sa inyong mga teammates to play your first game for this series?
Ibigay lang talaga namin yung best namin kasi siyempre knockout game to eh. Pag natalo kami sa home court namin, siyempre next
Yes.
home court next game baka siyempre hindi na namin home court.
Yes.
Mawala yung kumpiyansa ba.
Yes.
Saka yung redeem namin na nasa amin na eh.
Yeah. Pero nakita naman natin na talagang ang Team Aris are looking forward talaga to advance their win tonight. But talagang may part din sa game ninyo na talagang nagkumpiyansa kung pagaba. So ano ba yung particular factor doon? Bakit nakahabol ang Team Aris sa last few quarter natin, last minute of the few quarter?
Ayun, nag-relax yung mga boys eh, nag-relax eh, sobrang nakampante sa lead. Tapos syempre yung Ares, tinurbaho nila yung
Yes.
lamang. Kaya ayun, biglang na 2 points na lang. Ayun, napatime out kami. Kaya good thing na stop naman namin sila.
So shout out po sa ating mga fans natin here at Barangay Tomas Cavite.
Una-una sa lahat, nagpapasalamat ako kay Boss Ryan, sa sumusuporta sa kay Mariela, sa Porok 16 Boys, kay Tabasa, SK Chairman, kay Enson Kabila. Tapos, yun lang, sa mga sumusuporta sa kanila, salamat.
All right, so thank you so much, Mr. Rabe. Thank you so much, our assistant coach, for our Raela Trabuco. So looking forward for your next game next time. Thank you so much. So now, mga GBL, let us now announce our Derek Xiao, player of the game. So may I request our 4J acting forward, sir, palingkod dito, sir, who will be awarded with this medal and the shirt
So now, ladies and gentlemen, mga ka-GBL, our Derek Shaw player of the game, our pinakagwapong commissioner, can I have the results? So for our Derek Shaw player of the game, 32 points, 3 rebounds, 1 assist, and 2 steals. Congratulations, number 8, Mr. Philip Reyes. Ayan, palakpakan natin. Let's get a round of applause. Mr. Reyes, please join me here. Ayan. Grabe, ito din a very effective player for this Trailer Trabunco. Sir, please wear your medal po. Ayan. Okay, and get your shirt. Yan, picture muna tayo. Picture. Napakaganda na shirt na yan. Ayan. Okay, so ito, Sir Sir Reyes. So first and foremost, congratulations on your win. And now, finally, you have a commanding lead on this series. So talagang very consistent yung shooting range. What's your preparation for this game and the first matchup with Team Ares?
Itong kaning kuan semis na mo ipang-andaman practice me around midday every night bakang yung mga kauban pusin ni sa kuan mga kuan prepare good man para sa
So what would be the factor na nakita niyo for that play na talagang humahabol yung Team Ares in every quarter? Talagang nagdikdikan kayo sa dikitan sa score. So paano yung factor natin? Ano yung factor natin ba't nakahabol yung Team Ares sa puntusan?
ano talaga sila sipag talaga sila pinakita talaga nila yung hustle nila kaya nakadikit sila at saka kami rin marami kaming lapses doon
Yes, but for you, Sir Reyes, talaga bang home court advantage ang dahilan kaya grabe ang persistency when it comes to outside shooting mo ngayon?
isa na din yun kasi lagi naman
Ayan,
advantage talaga
so Sir Reyes, please shout out po. Gusto mo pasalamatan, Sir Reyes, take it away.
shout out sa asawa ko sa team namin sa lahat sa Raela sa lahat ng sumusuporta ng sa team namin saka sa GBL
Alright, thank you so much. So looking forward to your next game, Sir Reyes. Thank you so much. Maraming salamat. Have a good night. So thank you so much. So there you go, mga ka-GBL. Our Derek Shaw player of the game is we have number 8, Mr. Reyes. So now, this is your Mike Master G. Sabihin na natin na talagang napakaganda ang laban between the semi-final round. Talagang best of the best. 4 teams ang naglaban-laban for this kind of play. So kinakita naman natin, and again, ibababalik-balikan natin ang ating highlight. Talagang napakaganda. And now, before I end this, napapasalamat po kami sa ating punong barangay, Honorable Captain si Sharvi Sapur for having this semi-final round here at the beautiful gymnasium of Tomas Cabini. Talagang overcrowded tayo sa ating live audience. So thank you so much from Barangay Tomas Cabini. So see you next time. And you know what time is in mga GBL? It's game time. So this is Mike Master G signing off. God bless everyone.
Hello, Iliganons! As we enjoy the game, let's remember to play fair, respect one another, and have fun. Daog or pildi, basketball is about teamwork, discipline, and sportsmanship. So good luck to everyone. Kini inyong Mayor, Freddy Shaw, ang pirming nga masaligan, masadigan, o masangpit sa tanan. Padayon, Ascenso, Iliganon.